Hey guys, Ray, Spray Wash Exterior Cleaning. Hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. The other day I did a little video on a sludge sucker pump for a pressure washer. Wanted to expand that a little bit and give a bigger demo. So I'm putting this on YouTube, not just a Facebook Live thing. For those of y'all that don't know, this is a pressure washer sump pump or a sludge sucker. We've got 1.5 inch hose here. It's metal. You've got a hole in there with a 0-degree tip turned backwards up there. There's your 3/8 inch male. You could put a 1/4 inch on here and hook it directly to your wand if you wanted to. We just hook it straight to our ball valves. I got this particular one from L&H, Mike Howard up in Savannah, Georgia. I'll drop their website on this here in a little bit for y'all to order. We have this attached to about 15 foot of this crush-proof hose. You can really put, I guess, whatever size hose you wanted to. This hose is very rigid, very stiff. If you wanted to, you could cut the hose down to maybe 5 or 6 foot of this and then put a double nipple, and from the double nipple go and put some flat blue hose, flat discharge hose. But if you try to put a flat hose or a soft hose directly to this, it's going to destroy it because it's a 0-degree tip turned backwards. It will punch right through it and you won't get any longevity out of your hose itself. So for the first 5 foot, you need something rigid on there. I guess you call it a Venturi effect. Whenever you hook your pressure washer up to this, it's going to create a lot of suction. Pretty much if it's big enough to go into that hole, it's going to suck it up. Wet mud, sludge, small rocks, trash, any of that just gets sucked up and discharged out. And it's great for puddles at the end of driveways. We use these a lot for garages. Whenever the drains are backed up or it's an uneven floor and we're washing a garage out, you can really suck out a puddle quick like on these. So they call these pressure washer sludge pumps or pressure washer sump pumps. Several different names for it. There's several different manufacturers. Like I said, Mike Howard at L&H Industrial up in Savannah, Georgia is where I got this one from. Look for his web address, and we're going to go outside and do a live demo to show you exactly how fast this works. Hey guys, I got a 55-gallon drum here. Good old-fashioned secret agent drum from Agent Clean. That's my soaps of choice. Rinsing this barrel out. It's filled with water. And I'm using my 5.5 gallon a minute 3000 PSI surface cleaner for these purposes. And we'll show you how fast it'll empty this out. So I've got a ball valve on the end of my pressure hose, and I'm going to hook this into this male nipple. And so, you can see that water level dropping there. Here's my discharge. And we are just about done on this. And that is done. You can hear the tone changing in it and the discharge changing. right, I'm back. We're done with the outside demo. So less than a minute, we displaced 55 gallons of fluid with that pump. So really efficient, really a great tool. Doesn't take up much space at all. You should have one of those on all your rigs. And like I mentioned, you can actually go with a flat crush hose as long as you have the rigid hose for the first 5 or 6 feet of that, so it doesn't puncture it with the 0 degree tip that's in there. If you get an 8 gallon a minute machine, it'll actually go a little bit faster. Just a great tool to use. Call Mike, L&H in Savannah, Georgia. He will get you all hooked up. And again, this is Ray Burke, Spray Wash Exterior Cleaning, Tallahassee, Florida. I hope everybody has a fantastic day and wash on.